Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom for iPhone 14 Pro Max. And to do this, we'll need to open our App Store. Right here, try to find Google Classroom. Here, select this app and click on the cloud with arrow pointing down. After installation process is complete, you should be able to run this app. Here, click on Get Started. You'll need to use a Google account for that, so add the account or log in to already existing one. Allow all of the permissions, then click on the plus button to join your first class. Enter the class code right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.